Okay, number 8 talks about Steve and Teresa. So the let statements, let Steve, let S, right? Let S represent Steve's age now, and let T represent Teresa's age now, right? I'm taking abbreviation only because it's hard to write with the stylus. Okay, so then we translate. Steve is 3 times as old as Teresa. S equals 3 times T. There's the first equation. The second one, in 4 years he will be. So in S plus 4, he will be twice as old as she will be. Again, in 4 years, as she will be in 4 years, right? How old is each now? So there's our 2 equations. The bottom equation we need to simplify, so I'll distribute. And then I'll subtract 4. So S equals 2t plus 4. So now the 2 equations, S equals 3t and S equals 2t plus 4. So again, equal value methods. 3t equals 2t plus 4. Subtract 2t, t equals 4. And then we can use this one, S equals 3 times 4. S equals 12. So Steve is 12 years old and Teresa is 4 years old.